Welcome, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for your response, for your feedback, and for your comments. Today is Sunday, and it's a time for our topic of project management. In this video, we are going to cover another aspect of project management, and I'm sure you have watched my video on the first topic on the project management, which was what is project and what is project management. You got a lot of value. Thank you very much for so much of your feedback, love to that video. I request you to continue the same and you will get more and more such knowledgeable videos in the future. I request you to please subscribe my channel and spread it amongst your friends, communities and groups. So what is today's topic? The topic of today's video is project management only science? That is the question which we are going to have an answer in next 5 to 10 minutes. So please be attentive throughout this video. Is project management only a science? So there are two sides of project management. First we need to understand. One is the science part of it. Another is art part of it. The science part covers all your aspects of planning, controlling, scheduling, cost control and other technicalities of project management. The art part is all about leadership, motivation, team building, innovation, interpersonal skills are these aspects of art part. Many of us give a lot of importance to the science part and invest a lot of time there, but please note, project management is more art than science. You can attend a lot of seminars and get a lot of knowledge on science part or technicality of project management, but more emphasis has to be given on the art side of project management. I always believe in that. Knowing painting is basically color on a canvas, but masterpieces are created only by few. They put their whole heart and soul into that painting, and that's where the art part of project management is more and more important. We generally ignore that and invest a lot of time in the science part. Yes, it is important, but more important is the art side. So I thought I will bring some clarity on this in this video. Everybody knows human beings have two brains, left and right brains. Here, the right brains operate little more. The importance of right brain is more in project management than the left hand side brain, because right brain is all related to innovation, ideas, people management, leadership, motivation and all other aspects, right? So just to give a data point to what I'm saying, in project management, 17% is all about technicalities, science part of project management, but 83%, which is huge amount, is of art side. What we generally see is only the tip of iceberg. The fundamental, the base is below the water, which we don't see and which we ignore most of the time. And we spend a lot of time on the 17%, ignore totally the 83%, and that is where most of the project managers go wrong. So this is an important aspect which I thought I will be able to cover in this video. We have to look at, we have to know there is more of art than the science in project management. FIFA fever is on when I am recording this video, and everybody is focused on what is going to happen, who is going to be in final in the FIFA World Cup. But you must know that any football team, before it goes into the ground, they have a game plan. It will be applicable for all other sports also, but specifically because FIFA is on, football game is played with a game plan. Similarly, projects needs to be executed with project management. So it's very apt, which Kate has said, is trying to manage a project without project management is like playing a football game without a game plan. So it has to have a lot of art side. In any football games, yes, there are technicalities, but it's more about the confidence, the faith, the belief, the leadership, which plays an important role in winning any football match. That game plan has to be there. And When it comes to the art side, again, this is an important quote. The most important factor in every project is the belief in success, without which everything will remain impossible. The success of project will remain impossible. The success starts with a belief. Again, it's an art side of project management. I hope this is very clear to you. If you still have any feedback, please do comment in the comment section. Give your likes and spread this video. I will respond to most of your comments personally. Watching my video, do subscribe. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. All the links are given in the description box. Thank you very much for your patient listening.